Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to iDevice Focus. In today's super exciting tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set any song as iPhone ringtone for completely free and without using computer. By far, this is the easiest and the quickest method to set your custom ringtone. In a nutshell, by the end of this video, you'll be able to do exactly like this. Or even like this.
Your mother's calling. She would like to talk to you. Please answer this.
So you will be able to set up any sound effects, any songs, any music as your custom ringtone. So with that being said, let's just dive right into this video. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So the first step is go ahead and open up your app store and then look up Garageband. This is the only app that we'll be using in today's video. Right here, as you guys can see, make sure you have the latest one. Go ahead and download this. Since I already have it, I can just click on open. Just like this, when you open Garageband, this is how it looks like. You're going to click on continue, allow, and then you're gonna swipe to the right and then find the audio recorder, this one. Once you open this up, this is how your timeline looks like. First thing that you need to do in the Garageband timeline is you're going to click on this blue icon, make sure it turns gray. Once you have done that, you're going to click on this plus icon all the way on the far right, and this is by default set to 8 bars. Click on this and increase this to 30. Basically, it's going to be a 30-second of your ringtone, and you can leave the automatic as disabled, as you can see on my screen. So once you set it to 30, go ahead, click done right here, as you guys can see. Click on OK. Once you've done that, the second step you need to do is you're going to go ahead, click on this brick icon. It looks like a wall, this one, third one from the left, and then from here, in order to import our custom sound effect or custom song, what we need to do is we're going to click on this icon over here, this one, and then this will bring us to the Apple loops. Over here we have all the preset songs, preset genres, all these different stuff, but we're not going to need this because we want to set a custom song. We want to be able to set any song, any sound effect as our ringtone. So what we need to do is we're going to go ahead, go to our files. Before you open files, make sure you have already imported or downloaded your custom song that you want to use as a ringtone to your files app. In order to do this, you can either do it from your computer, you can transfer your music or sound effects from computer to your iPhone, or you can also download it from any websites out there. You guys can choose whichever song you want from any websites online. Once you have downloaded, it's gonna by default save it to your files folder. So next step is you're gonna click on browse items, and once you open it up, all your downloaded, all your transferred or imported songs will be over here, and whichever you want to choose, you can easily do so. Let's say I want to choose this one. Click on this, and just like that, this will pop up here. Once you have chosen the song, you're gonna click on here just to listen. All right, it's the right one. And then now we're gonna drag and drop this over here to our timeline. Once you have dragged and dropped your song to your timeline, what you can do is you can either trim this and find the perfect part that you want to set as your song, or you can leave it as it is. Totally up to you. As you guys can see, this will last 30 seconds basically. Make sure this reaches all the way to the end. Even if it doesn't reach to the end, it's gonna loop this back and forth as someone is calling you. So once you've done with everything, what you need to do is you're going to click on this drop down menu, click on here, and then click on my songs, and boom, just like that, it's going to bring you to this Garageband recents right here. This is the recent one. What we need to do is we're going to hold it and then click on share. From here, you're going to set it as a ringtone, continue, and now it will give us the chance to rename this so that we can easily remember which custom ringtone it was. I'm going to say favorite ringtone and click on done and click on export. Give it a few seconds as it is exporting the song as your custom ringtone. Once you've done, it's going to click on, you just need to click on OK, exit out of this and go back to your settings. Within your settings, in order to find this, you're going to scroll down where it says sound and haptics and then ringtone, and boom, just like that, I have my favorite ringtone that I just exported in here as an option. Easy as that, guys. You guys get the idea. This is how easy it is to set any song, any sound effect as your custom ringtone. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you smash that like button because it really helps the channel out. If you're new to the channel, subscribe down below for more interesting tech content just like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.